हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स। स्टडी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में आपका स्वागत है। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एवरेज वैल्यू। आज हम सीखेंगे कि एवरेज वैल्यू वेव फॉर्म्स की हम कैसे निकाल सकते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एवरेज वैल्यू होती क्या है? एवरेज वैल्यू इट इज़ एरिया अंडर वन कंप्लीट साइकिल अपॉन टाइम पीरियड। एरिया अंडर वन कंप्लीट साइकिल अपॉन टाइम पीरियड। And friends, if we talk about its formula, V average is 1 upon t, t is the time period, integrating it from 0 to t, V of t dt. This is our V average formula. इसमें एक नोट पॉइंट है. The note point is for all symmetric waveform, V average is 0. For all symmetric waveforms, if we apply this formula, then V average come out to be 0. So for symmetric waveforms, we consider only half period of the waveform. For V average calculation. फ्रेंड्स, कोई भी सिमेट्रिक वेवफॉर्म है, अगर उसमें हम V एवरेज निकालने लग जाएं तो उसकी वैल्यू ज़ीरो आएगी, बिकॉज इट इज़ एरिया अंडर द कर्व. अगर मैं एक ये वेवफॉर्म लेती हूँ, ये सिमेट्रिक है, दिस एरिया एंड दिस एरिया इज सेम, सो ये दोनों एरियाज कैंसल आउट हो जाएंगे, विच कम्स आउट टू बी ज़ीरो. सो तो हमारा जो V एवरेज आ जाएगा वो जीरो वैल्यू आ जाएगी उसकी. सो इसलिए जो हमारी सिमेट्रिक वेवफॉर्म्स होती हैं उसमें हम हाफ पीरियड के लिए वेवफॉर्म को कैलकुलेट करते हैं. जैसे कि आई एम टेकिंग एग्जाम्पल हेयर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई एम टेकिंग द सिमेट्रिक वेवफॉर्म लाइक दिस. साइन वेवफॉर्म, दिस इज T, this is Vm, and this is minus Vm. This is 0, this is pi, and this is 2 pi. So friends, as we can see, this is a symmetric waveform. So here, for the calculation of V average, we have to take its half time period. Means total time period is here 2 pi. So I am considering half time period is pi. Now from this time period, we have to calculate the V average of symmetric waveform. So here, V average is 1 upon t. T is pi. 0 to pi. This is sine curve, which is V of t is Vm sine of omega t. This is the equation of this curve, so I am putting here Vm sine of omega t dt, which comes out to be 1 upon pi. Vm is constant outside. Integration of sine is minus cos omega t from 0 to pi, which is Vm upon pi. This is minus, this minus taking outside. Cos pi is minus 1, cos 0 is 1, which is twice of Vm upon pi. So 2 Vm upon pi is the V average of this waveform, this symmetric sine waveform. Friends, taking the next waveform, this is also a sine waveform. This is Vm, this is 0, this is pi, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi, and this is 4 pi. This is our time period. Here friends, we have to find out the V average of this waveform. First of all friends, notice this is a non-symmetric waveform. ये symmetric नहीं है. So here we have to take time period as 2 pi, because after 2 pi the waveform is repeating itself. तो here time period is 2 pi. सिर्फ सिमेट्रिक वेवफॉर्म्स के लिए हमें टाइम पीरियड का हाफ लेना है, अदरवाइज जो नॉन सिमेट्रिक वेवफॉर्म्स है उसमें हमें उसका फंडामेंटल टाइम पीरियड ही लेना है. सो हेयर टाइम पीरियड इज 2 pi. सो पुटिंग इन फॉर्मूला 1 upon t, 0 to t, V of t dt. Here 1 upon t, t is 2 pi. from 0 to, friends see, from 0 to pi our value is Vm sine of omega t dt, and from pi to 2 pi our value is 0 dt. Now solving it, 1 upon 2 pi, Vm is constant, integration of sine is minus cos omega t from 0 to pi, which comes out to be Vm upon 2 pi, this minus taking it outside, cos of pi is minus 1 minus cos 0 is 1, twice of Vm upon 2 pi. So here Vm gets cancel out, sorry, here 2 and 2 gets cancel out and we get Vm upon pi, which is V average. So friends, here Vm upon pi is the V average of this waveform. Now friends, consider the next example. This is Vm, this is minus Vm, this is 0, this is 1 and this is 2, this is t in seconds, time period is in seconds. Here we have to find the V average. Friends, first of all see, this is a symmetric waveform. So for symmetric waveform we have to take half of the time period. Here time period is 2 seconds. So we have to take the half waveform, which is 0 to 1. So our time period is here 1 second. V average here is 1 upon t, 1 upon 1 from 0 to 1 Vm dt, which is Vm integration of dt is t from 0 to 1, which comes out to be Vm only. Here V average is equals to Vm. Quite easy. Now next waveform is like this. This is the waveform. This is t, this is Vm, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. Here also we have to find the V average. Friends, see, this is not a symmetric waveform. So here from 0 to 2 seconds is our time period, because after 2 seconds waveform is repeated. So here time period is 2 seconds. Now I am direct applying from 1 upon time period is 2. Friends, see, from 0 to 1 the value is Vm dt plus from 1 to 2 the value is 0 into dt. Solve it, 1 upon 2 Vm dt integration is t 0 to 1 plus 0, which is Vm upon 2. So friends, here V average is Vm upon 2 of this waveform. Friend, next is our sawtooth waveform. This is the sawtooth waveform. This is 0, 1 and 2 seconds. This is Vm. Here we have to find the V average. First of all, friend, this is a line. So we have to calculate the equation of this line. लाइन की इक्वेशन क्या होती है? y इज इक्वल्स टू एम टी प्लस सी. C is the y-intercept. C is y-intercept. And here our y-intercept is 0. Therefore, C is equals to 0. Now y is equals to mt. M is the slope, which is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into t. So friends, here value is 1 comma Vm, here 0 comma 0. So y2 is Vm, y1 is 0, x2 is 1, x1 is 0 into t. So y is equals to Vm into t is the equation. Now put this equation in the formula. The V average is 1 upon time period is 1. From 0 to 1 value is Vm into t dt. Integrated Vm 0 to 1 t dt, which is Vm t square upon 2 Vm into t square upon 2, this is V average, from 0 to 1 Vm upon 2 into 1, which is Vm upon 2 is the V average of this sawtooth waveform. Considering the next case, friend, our next case is this is 0, this 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is time period in seconds, and this is Vm. Here, see friends, the coordinates are same here, 1 comma Vm and 0 comma 0. So the equation of the line is also same. Y is equals to Vm into t. Friend, see here the time period is 2 seconds, because after 2 seconds the waveform is getting repeated. Now friends, V average is 1 upon time period 1 upon 2 from 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, the value is Vm into t dt, and from 1 to 2 the value is 0. Now just integrate it. Vm upon 2, this is t square upon 2 from 0 to 1, which comes out to be Vm upon 4 into 1, that is Vm upon 4 is the V average of this waveform. Quite simple, friend. Friend, this is our next example. This is the waveform. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is the time period in seconds, and this is Vm. Vm is 20 here. I am taking value 20. So here we have to find the V average of this waveform. Friends, see, from 0 to 1, this is the line. We have to find the equation of the line, which is y is equals to mx plus c. Take it at t. Y is equals to mt plus c. C intercept, c is y intercept, and here y intercept is 0. So y is equals to mt. M is the slope, which is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into t. Friends, see here the coordinates are x is 1, y is 20. Here 0 comma 0. Now put this, y2 is 20, y1 is 0, x2 is 1, x2 is 0 into t. So the equation of the line is 20t. So friend, the V average is 1 upon this, the time period is 2 from 0 to 1. The equation is 20t dt, and from 1 to 2, friends, see the value is, take it minus 4. Here the value is minus 4 into dt. Now friends, just integrate it. 1 upon t 20 t square upon 2 0 to 1 plus minus 4t 1 to 2, which comes out to be 1 upon 2. This is 10 minus 4 into 1, which is 1 upon 2, 10 minus 4, that is 6 upon 2 is 3. So friends, here the V average is 3. So friends, ये था हमारा आज का सेशन. मोस्टली आई हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑल द केसेस ऑफ द वेवफॉर्म्स हियर. सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको सेशन अच्छा लगा है, हेल्पफुल लगा है, तो इसको लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.